ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi ta ka Orange Nissan Lumso pho near Fire Brigade Shillong
Kaseng San Perthai National People's Party kalarai ban penyang kertong habarok lai teliki constituency kiban sepelong ki election shiteng samoi syakayeng dor barthauan jong ke jilla kaban long hakalai photarik ubnai risau arhajar arpuwei hakajing yakran bat kilat pathai khubor national president jong ke NPP u Konrad Sangma uliathu baka NPP kan sa syong no mardor yakajing yalang khnang ban yo jit iki kertong ki bakensai ki ban aireng haki election shiteng samoi kaban salong hamarung kineng constituency hamau plang constituency bat haraja bala constituency kumban supentip hangni ka Election Commission of India kalapan mi ya kajing penbena ka arpu pratarik ubnai nailar arajar arpuwei ban penlong ya ka election shiteng samoy habaro ka wai kri India pat kumju ru hagani ka jilla Meghalaya hadin baki seat kila kala thli no na kajing khla no jong ki dong mi khmat hakini ki benai bala dam
decisions that we took today are in East Khasi Hills area and also in a way affecting the model code of conduct. So we have to be slightly careful and I want to make sure that we don't come into any kind of thing with the election code of conduct. So there are some important decisions we took, but it's not necessary that I need to explain the whole thing right now, because we have asked the departments to give us more details on those decisions. But because of the election code of conduct, I don't feel appropriate for me to mention those points because they will be directly in conflict and in the interest here in East Khasi Hills area. So that's my issue. We will be having a meeting and we will be finalizing and approving the candidates. Some of the candidate list has already been approved. I think the president must have released it by now. If not, then by today evening, the names of the candidates will be released from the party side. That is something that we cannot comment on. This election commission has decided and put these dates, so therefore it's in the wisdom of election commission to do that, and they have, I'm sure, followed all the procedures and given the necessary time for all their aspects. So really I don't want to comment on the decisions. So whatever the case may be, since election commission has announced it, respective political parties will, I'm sure, plan accordingly. Well, we cannot presume that things will happen. We don't know. But of course, whatever the situation may be, even during election time, I'm sure election commission will give us protocols to be followed. So all the concerned candidates and parties will have to follow those protocols. And as I said, since election commission must have taken all those points into consideration and accordingly announced the dates. We will be having a meeting and we will be finalizing and approving the candidates. Some of the candidate list has already been approved. I think the president must have released it by now. If not, then by today evening, the names of the candidates will be released from the party.